Hello everyone, this is Sai Sri and welcome to my channel. In our previous video, we have seen how to solve 11.1 and 11.2 all problems. In this video, I will tell the 11.3 all 6 problems in a simple way. To solve these problems, we have to read or we have to learn some concept or some formulas. We have totally 6 formulas to solve these problems. Let us see them. Trigonometric ratios of complementary angles. Complementary angles is nothing but sum of two angles is 90. Now I am taking a triangle ABC. The right angle is at B. Let us take that A angle is X. What will be the C? Here we have 90 degrees. The sum of A and C should be 90. So 90 minus X. X value. Sin X value is BC by AC. Cos X value is AB by AC. Tan X value is BC by AB. Tan X, opposite by hypotenuse of X angle. And also cot X, AB by BC, the inverse of tan. Cosecant X, AC by BC. Secant X, AC by AB. Also find the 90 minus X all 6 trigonometric ratios. Sin 90 minus X equal to AB by AC. AB by AC. Cos X, cos 90 minus X is equal to BC by AC. Tan 90 minus X is equal to AB by BC. And cosecant 90 minus X is AC by AB. Secant 90 minus X is AC by BC. The last one, cot 90 minus X is BC by AB. From these, we get all 6 formulas. Remember them. See here, sin 90 minus X is AB by AC. Here we have AB by AC is equal to X, cos X. So I can write cos X. Cos 90 minus X is equal to, here we have BC by AC. Here also we have BC by AC. So I can write it is equal to sin X. Tan 90 minus X. Here I have AB by BC. Here also I have AB by BC. So it is equal to cot X. And here cot 90 minus X. Cot 90 minus X value is BC by AB. Here tan X value is also BC by AB. So I can write it as tan X. Next one. Cosecant 90 minus X, which is equal to, here cosecant 90 minus X is AC by AB. Here secant X value is also AC by AB. So I can write secant X. Secant 90 minus X is equal to, here I have AC by BC. Here also AC by BC. So it is equal to cosecant X. These are the 6 important formulas which you have to remember to solve this exercise. Let's start our exercise. In exercise first problem, evaluate tan 36 by cot 54. Tan 36 can be written as tan 90 minus 54 because 90 minus 54 is equal to 36. So I can write tan 90 minus 54 divided by cot 54. Tan 90 minus x is cot x. So here cot x is 54. Cot 54 by cot 54 is equal to 1. Or we can express the cot in tan values so that we also get the same answer. Let us see. Tan 36 by, I can write this cot into 90 minus 36. Cot 90 minus 36 is tan x. Here x is 36. So tan 36. In any way, we get the same answer. Remember that these formulas can be applied when the given angle sum is equal to 90. Here we have 78 and 12. 78 plus 12 is 90. So I can apply these formulas. In other cases, we have to apply other formulas. So I can write this cos 12 into cos 90 minus 78, which is equal to sin 78 from the formulas. Now I am substituting here. Sin 78 minus sin 78 is equal to 0. Next question, cosecant 31 minus secant 59. And here also 31 and 59 are complementary angles because the sum of 59 and 31 is 90 degrees. So we can write the cosecant 39 as 90 minus 59. 90 minus 59 is 31. So cosecant 90 minus 59 minus secant 59. Here we can apply the formula cosecant 90 minus x. Cosecant 90 minus x is secant x. So secant 59 minus secant 59. So the answer is 0. Fourth question, sin 15 secant 75. So now I am writing sin 15 secant 75. Sin 15 can be written as sin 90 minus 75 because the 15 and 75 are complementary. That means the sum of 15 and 75 is 90. Now I am applying the formula sin 90 minus x is equal to cos x secant 75. So it is in the form of sin 90 minus x. Here x is 75. So cos 75 into secant 75. Cos 75 into secant 75 is nothing but inverse of cos 75. Cos 75 cancel. So the answer is 1. Fifth problem, tan 26 degrees, tan 64. Here the two angles are also complementary. So tan 26, tan 64. Now I am writing tan 26 as tan 90 minus 64. Tan 64. Here we can apply the formula tan 90 minus x is equal to cot x. So here cot 64 tan 64. Cot 64 is nothing but inverse of tan 64. Tan 64 into tan 64. So tan 64 cancel. So the answer is 1. In second Roman, show that tan 48 tan 16 tan 42 tan 74 is equal to 1. Now let us take the LHS side. LHS is tan 48 tan 16 tan 42 tan 74. Now I am taking tan 48 tan 42 to solve this, because 48 plus 42 is 90 and 16 plus 74 is 90. So now I can apply the formulas of complementary angles. Tan 74. Here tan 48 can be written as 90 minus 42 and tan 42. And tan 16 can be written as tan 90 minus 74 and tan 74. Now the formulas can be applied as tan 90 minus x is equal to cot x. So here we have tan 90 minus x. Tan 90 minus x can be written as cot x. So cot 42. Cot 42. I am writing tan 90 minus 42 as cot 42 from the formula tan 90 minus x is equal to cot x. And here also we have tan 90 minus x, that is equal to cot x. Here x is 74. So cot 74 tan 74. Tan 42. Cot 42 is nothing but tan 42. Cot 74 is nothing but 1 by tan 74 into tan 74. It is tan 42 cancel. Tan 74 cancel. Here we have 1. Here we have 1. 1 into 1 is 1. So the answer is 1. Our next question, cos 36 cos 54 minus sin 36 sin 54 is equal to 0. Let us take the LHS part. Cos 36 cos 54 sin 36 sin 54. Here cos 36 I am writing cos 90 minus 54 and cos 54 minus, here I am writing sin 36 as sin 90 minus 54 and sin 54. Now here cos 90 minus 54 is nothing but sin 54 and cos 54, because cos 90 minus x is equal to sin x, and also sin 90 minus x is equal to cos x. So here we have sin 90 minus x, it is cos x. So cos 54 sin 54. Here and here we have the same values, sin 54 sin 54, cos 54 cos 54. So the answer is 0, which is equal to RHS bar. Third question in this exercise is, if tan 29 is equal to cot A minus 18, where 2A is an acute angle, find the value of A. Here 2A is an acute angle, that means less than 90 degrees. So we can apply the formulas of complementary angles. We know that tan x is equal to cot 90 minus x. Here x is 2A. Tan 2A is equal to cot A minus 18. Now I can write tan 29 as cot 90 minus, here x is 2A. So 2A is equal to cot A minus 18. Cot cancel. 90 minus 2A is equal to A minus 18. Now I am sending 2A this side and 18 this side. 90, here we have minus, it will become plus. Plus 18 is equal to A, it will become plus. A plus 2A. 90 plus 18, 108 is equal to 3A. So A is equal to 108. So A is equal to 108 by 3. So A is equal to 36. So the value of A is 36 degrees. Fourth question, if tan A is equal to cot B, where A and B are acute angles, prove that A plus B is equal to 90 degrees. So we have to prove A and B is equal to 90 degrees. Let us recall the formula. Tan x is equal to cot 90 minus x. Let us take the given equation. Tan A is equal to cot B. Here A is equal to x. So now I am applying this formula. Cot 90 minus A is equal to cot B. Cot get cancelled. 90 minus A is equal to B. So 90 is equal to, it will become plus B plus A. A plus B is equal to B plus A. So I can write A plus B is equal to 90 degrees, which we have to prove. Next question, if ABC are the angles, interior angles of a triangle, then prove that tan A plus B by 2 is equal to cot C by 2. For this, I am taking the given that ABC are interior angles. We know that the sum of interior angles A plus B plus C is equal to 180 degrees. Now I am sending C this side. 180 minus C. Divide with 2. A plus B by 2 is equal to 180 minus C by 2. A plus B by 2 is equal to 180 by 2 is 90 minus C by 2. Now I am applying tan on both sides, because we have to prove tan A plus B by 2 is equal to cot C by 2. For this I am applying tan. So tan A plus B by 2 is equal to tan 90 minus C by 2. Here we can clearly see that tan 90 minus x is equal to cot x. So here we have 90 minus x. It is cot x. So cot C by 2. Tan A plus B by 2 is equal to cot C by 2. This is the thing which we have to prove. So the answer is, first of all we have to take A plus B, C is equal to 180, and we have to apply tan to solve this problem. Our next question, express sin 75 plus cos 65 in terms of trigonometric ratios of angles between 0 degrees and 45 degrees. So they are asking to express this sine 75 plus cos 65. Here we have the angle 75 and 65. So they are asking to express between 0 and 45. So let us write the given one. Say 75 plus cos 65. They asked us to express between 0 to 45. Now I am writing sine 45 as sine 90 minus 15 plus cos 90 minus 25. We know the formulas. Sine 90 minus x is equal to cos x. Cos 90 minus x is equal to sin x. So here we have sine 90 minus 15, which is equal to cos x. So cos 15 plus here cos 90 minus x is equal to sin x. So sine 25. So we expressed the sine 75 plus cos 65 between 0 to 45, that is 15 and 25 are between 0 to 45 degrees.